guys, welcome back to another tech video. Today we're doing a new fidget haul as someone's got new fidgets and new stuff like that. So we're going to start off with me.
Yep.
Okay. So first of all...
Also guys, we just traded. So
yeah. So I'll pick my first things. First things we've got, sadly,
is some butter.
Yeah, very broken butters. Very sad. Oops. I'll put them there.
And this is my piece, guys.
Yeah, that's our piece. That's our piece. And then next I got a dinosaur.
Guys, it also had...
Also, I had marbles in it, but sadly it broke, which we don't talk about.
Yeah.
So cool. Right, put it down there.
Guys, he wants to see inside of the skin.
Yeah, see inside. So cool. Right, put it down. Next we got ultra, not an ultra rare.
So guys, this is our fidget trading box.
We got a dumpling. I did anyway. If Goldies were here, it was blue, and I'm so happy. Put the case there.
And then he's got this pineapple,
which we just traded.
He's got for fidgets. He's got this.
Yeah, I love. That's my favourite. I got a mega clean chameleon called Weasel the Baddie. So cool.
And it looks like Kim Kardashian.
Yeah, I love Kim. And then last my fidgets, we've got really cool things and a dinosaur.
Dinosaur my bill, guys.
Yep.
So that's his haul done.
And now I'm gonna do my sissy's haul.
So guys, I've got this. Guys, I'm gonna open the dumpling because you guys haven't seen what colours I have yet.
Yes, you're gonna open
So I've got this blue one. I haven't opened it yet. I've got ready. 3, 2, 1.
You got
yellow.
That's so cool. Right, put it down there. I'm gonna make a different pile.
And then I've got this.
So you got cheese which you put Tapex and rich stuff on it.
No, because it was ripped. Because my friend ripped it and then it had Tipex, so I ripped cheese on it and put Tipex on.
Right, next we got, guys, love these. We got she got a tabber.
Also guys, for my birthday, I'm going to be doing a massive squishy haul and we're going to do fidget trading and we're going to do some dances with my friends and stuff. And videos with my friends.
So next we got...
So there'll be a lot of...
That's both. This is up at bold. That's...
Both of us had this, but he lost his.
Yeah, the first 7 needle we've got, which is so cool. And the next we got, which we just traded, used to be mine, axolotl rice thing.
Used to be mine, and I gave it to him. And
for
then
free.
For free.
And the next we got a giant...
Needle!
Needle. It's not really needle, but it's kind of. It's needle texture.
Yeah, and then we've got a Nido pink.
Pink, which is actually really cool, which got portal signs in it. Please don't mind. And as the last 2 things, 3 things really. Two are broken, so we've got a broken butter piece, which put in the other pieces down there.
And then we've got
a broken butter. That's all my marbles in it, guys. So cool. And then we've got one last thing.
You want to see inside of it?
Yeah, we want to see inside of it. We've already saw inside of it. Yeah. So cool.
Oh no, my hands are covered in that glitter now.
Alright, and that's really cool. Alright, the last thing.
Wait, ready?
And the last thing, we got, sadly, a broken dumpling.
But guys, it
don't really affect it.
Unless you squish the part where it's popped. That's only because I was stupid and I tried to get all the air out of it and it just popped it.
But this is what it looks like in the front, guys. So cool. Thank you for watching. We'll be in another video.
In like 45 minutes.
Yeah. Bye, guys.